It's your girl Kerry Lopez, and I'm all about the settings, and you're tuned into Jamaica Live. Nothing normal about it. So you're up on the just cool corner, you're up on the cool ends, you hear that? Cool corner, the cool ends, with yours truly, Kerry Lopez. I wait there. Hibiscus Live Community Radio. Big up to each and every one across the diaspora. All the people. Okay, massive. When I each we get right into it, you know. And I'm all about it. I am Kerry Lopez, your independent label owner, songwriter, yes, cultural ambassador, and I'm all about the settings. And Kerry Lopez is also a E-registered member of the Ministry of Education right here in Jamaica. So you don't know, so we have all the right to be playing music across the world, music across the diaspora. And I'm all about the settings. It's another Sunday where we're grooving. Reggae vibes right here with Kerry Lopez. In the background, the music, beautiful music is playing. Yeah. I don't know, it's a JKL. Hey, it's a JKL, ready me now. We say just cool records, ready me now. And I'm all about the settings. Greetings to one and all across the diaspora. Welcome to Jamaica Live with yours truly, Kerry Lopez. Right here on Hibiscus Live Community Radio, where we give you nothing but entertainment, original, authentic Jamaican music. Yes, and I'm all about it. We are talking about dancehall, we are talking about reggae, original, from the core. Jamaica is an island of beautiful people, great talent, across the diaspora. I wanna say my people. London massive, wanna say. And we are shout out to all the independent people, them know the people them we are put on, them put them best foot forward, you know. And I go for them want, I go for what them want. In a snow, in a rain, in a storm. Look at no man. You know why? People them I go for what them want. This song, beautiful song, is titled No Walk. Brand new song from out of the Just School Records production, you know. Not normal about the settings, you know. Not normal about it name No Walk. Talk to me. Tell me. Talk to me. As we kick off this week, this strong, with none other than the voice of Kerry Lopez. Brand new from Just School Records. Not normal about the settings. I walk one. Come let me have to sing the song for you. What do you say? I don't want it. No, if I say tough and them no I'm no work. It up I say tough and them no have no work. Stick it in. No, if I say tough and them no have no work. It up I say tough and them no have no work. Yeah. Once a man told a lie, and when you hear the truth it I go make you cry. On a girl, beautiful girl, lost her innocence in this old wide world. She worked hard every day and at night. She would pray, oh Father, tell me when is my day. A question to the ask, but I just a mistake. Cause if I say tough and them now have no work. I wait there, Hibiscus Live Community Radio. You must feel goody, you happy, you gladdy. Live performance from Kerry Lopez. It is the best radio station in the UK. No normal about the settings. One Kerry Lopez, and we take it from the top. Yeah, you're not getting tough and them don't have no work. Yeah, yeah. Once a man told a lie, and when they hear the truth, it I go make you cry. On a girl, beautiful girl, lost her innocence in this old wide world. She worked hard every day, and at night she would pray. Oh, but Father, tell me when it's my day. A question she no ask, but that's just how it stay. Cause if I say it up, and them don't have no work, no work. It up, I say it up, and them don't have no work. Hope I say it up, and them don't have no work, no work. It up, I say it up, and them don't have no work. Yeah, yeah. The fool and his money shall surely depart. With access to some money, you get drunk and show it off. This girl need a pair, don't pretend that you care. Cause little is a much when love is in there. Put your shoulders to your wheel, that is when you eat your meal. I know I'm about to see and who was there will show his zeal. That is what I mean when me appear. Before we set the argument clear. Cause if I say it up, and them don't have no work, no work. It up, I say it up, and them don't have no work. Sing it. Don't I say it up, and them don't have no work, no work. It up, I say it up, and them don't have no work. Once a man told a lie, and when you hear the truth, it a go make you cry. On a girl, beautiful girl, lost her innocence in this old wide world. She worked hard every day, and at night she would pray. Oh, our Father, tell me when it's my day. A question you don't ask, but I just how it stay. Cause if I say it up, and them don't have no work, no work. It up, I say it up, and them don't have no work. Yeah, yeah. Hope I say it up, and them don't have no work, no work. Hope I say it up, and them don't have no work. That is titled No Work from yours truly, Kerry Lopez. I've been telling you, I want to first hear it, you know. Yes, me have met the UK people, them hear it. Me have met the London people, them hear it. Me have met the South London people, them hear it. Me have met the Bristol people, them hear it. Nothing normal about it, bust it like the clouds. I wait there. Nothing normal about the setting. Big up to all the people over there in Manchester. Big up to the people them in Crichton. On that but Kerry Lopez in the building. Hibiscus Live Community Radio right here with Kerry Lopez. I wait there, and that me still I say. Nothing normal about saying, you know, so we have a whole heap of little vibration. I go on and we have to step right into it. So you don't know. A lot of people don't want no work. A lot of people seek employment. I wait there. Half of the story has not been told. Yeah. I was still a big of the people them over in the UK now. I have to make a special big up going out to none other than the 10-star general himself, you know. 10-star general, big up yourself. And we are talking about the SPRB radio podcast right over there in England. And we are talking about, hey, 10-star general, them man they wear the awareness. And we are talking about 10-star. Kerry Lopez is one of those bright shining stars with 10-star general. Yeah. Yes. Put this star a road. Nothing normal about it. Big up to the entire Raising the Awareness crew. Yeah. Sharon Mango and the crew. 10-star general, big up yourself, you know. And we just want to raise the awareness right away about cancer. Ugly cancer. We are talking about prostate cancer. We are talking about breast cancer. We are talking about all sorts of cancer. Look here, man. That's why we have to get back to the roots and eat the fruits. So we're raising awareness this week, this strong, and give some strength and some energy to the people, the great people who've been captured, who've been crippled, who've been weakened, who've been, oh my God, paralyzed, who've been slowed down, who've been cut off from this dreadful disease called cancer. Mr. Cancer, we want to get rid of you. So to all the people who are suffering and battling this dangerous, ugly disease, I just lay you in a positive meditation right about now. Yeah, man. Star General, big up yourself and all the people who are battling this ugly disease. I ask for strength. I ask for help. I ask for aid. The universe to just come down and do the right thing, you know. Yes, they have some real positive people suffering by the hands of deadly sickness and ailments. One Kerry Lopez. This is none other than Hibiscus Live Community Radio. Where's that? The fool and his money shall surely depart. You get access to some money, you get drunk and show it off. This girl need a pair, don't pretend that you care. Cause little is much when love is in there. Put your shoulders to your wheel, and when you eat your meal, who was at the sea and who was here show it feel. That is what I mean when me appear. Me come to set the argument clear. Cause if I say rough, I say tough, and them don't have no one. You can imagine a lot of people have strength, health, time on them hands, and them don't want to work. Them just want to sit around. Yes, and collect and put in them order. The fool and his money shall surely depart. You get access to some money, you get junk and show it off. This girl need a pair, don't pretend that you care. Cause little is much. Little is much when love is in there. Big up to the people who always try to care and share for somebody else. You're listening to Hibiscus Live Community Radio right here in the UK. Streaming from Jamaica, I am Kerry Lopez. We'll take a break and we'll be right back. We're back. Nothing normal about the settings. Hibiscus Live Community Radio right here. And guess what? This strong is a different type of strong, cause this I'm playing some music that you might never hear before. This week is the strong of new music. Nothing normal about them. I play a song right now from Bringle Fire over there in nothing normal about the settings. New music vibration right here on Hibiscus Live Community Radio. Nothing can't stop this vibes, yeah. To all the massive and the crew, nothing normal about it. Bring a fire. Woo! What about love? That the man say. What about love? What about God? What about love? What about God? Some people forget about love. Some people just love money. Not normal about it. You have some people love people business too, you know. Yes. Not normal about the settings. Bring a fire. Not normal about it. One more Bring a Fire Pounder, brand new. Say you heard it right here on Hibiscus Live Community Radio. Yeah, Bring a Fire, brand new. Bring a Fire, brand new. What about love? What about God? What about helping each other with the little and with what we don't even have? Some people forget about the kindness. Some people forget about a lot of things. But we're not itch, we not itch. We are going right into entertainment news. Right about now, beautiful vibration. Right here in Jamaica, dancehall entertainer Zebra has been released from prison. Yes, Zebra has been incarcerated from 2000 and he was charged in a major assault related charges. Yes, from 2000 to 2008, from 2008 to 2010, from 2010 now he is being released. Yes, Zebra, welcome on the style. Yes, as an artist, as a musician, right now, so social media people are saying that Zebra this and Zebra that. But I am saying that, welcome, and I hope this journey you see some different type of energy and take some different type of routines, change gear, cut speed. Not normal about the settings. Right here on Hibiscus Live Community Radio, not normal about it. Reggae Highway, la. North Coast Highway is set to soon be called Reggae Highway. Ras Aska Black mentioned in a recent interview that this is one of the big plans for the North Coast Highway is to call it Rasta Highway, Reggae Highway. Yes, and he said that he mentioned it to Andrew Holness, the Jamaica Prime Minister and government, and his response was to say, how can you say no to that? So Mr. Andrew Holness has, seemed to give, the go-ahead for the highway to be named Reggae Highway, because it is stemming, as you come out for the plane, it is stemming into all of these directions of all of these great reggae individuals, reggae artists who has been internationally representing reggae music across the globe. So that would be a nice one. Aska Black, big up yourself, sir, and continue to, do the great work for reggae music as it continues. Not normal about the settings. Only for good vibration are going on here. We're not quarrel and we are going straight in our next segment of the news. What about love? What about God? What about LOVE? One more time, you can listen to one little piece of What About Love. Cause serious things are going boy, and some people put love under one. Hey! What about love? Woo! What about God? Woo! What about yeah! What about love? And we get right back into it. Not normal about it. 28.5 million. Wanna say million. Hey, tapping nice, yeah. 28.5 million. Full compensation package should be issued to the government's office. The office of the Prime Minister. So the Prime Minister's new pay, as some people are saying that he's been getting this from 2024. But what I am seeing is that $28.5 million will be the Prime Minister's pay. Whoa, what a huge sum. What a hefty sum. Talk to me about it. Yes, and I don't know if that's because the Prime Minister getting so many money, why he's calling all the people across the diaspora to come home. And I probably can say this bold. The Prime Minister literally saying, come on and let's have sex and get some babies, because Jamaica is running short of babies. And, the people who are across the diaspora should come home and come and make love, and he needs some more babies. So apparently he is wealthy enough to care for all these babies that he is requesting. So the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, is saying that you should come home and have some babies because the country running short of babies. And I think the country is running short of a lot of things, because who feels it knows. So I think the women are being very careful as to how they have fun, and the men as well, because people are still crying and protesting and swearing and behaving in different manner because of the discomfort they have been experiencing right here on this beautiful island where the leaders are leading. I don't know why so much confusion. Over 34 billion to be raised in new taxes, the Prime Minister proposed. So the Prime Minister is getting a hefty $28.5 million for his pay, and he is requesting and protesting for an additional 34 billion to be raised in new taxes for the Jamaican people who are already suffering after the shock of Hurricane Beryl and Hurricane Melissa, which left the country traumatized, people unemployed, homeless, roofless, moneyless, everything less, hopeless. So the people of Jamaica should bottle their bottles and sell all the bottles, plastic and chalk bottles, glass bottles, to fit this $34 billion tax increase that the Jamaica government has now laid comfortably on the Jamaican people after such disaster, right? So we go on. You're listening to Hibiscus Live Community Radio, radio with a difference, where it is Jamaica Live, where we cater for, the culture, the music, and the highlights coming out of the beautiful country to inform and to update and to, highlight the people across the diaspora as to what's happening here back at home. Yes. Not normal about the settings. We want some love and light, Not normal about the settings. It get serious. Not normal about it. Cause I don't know where the people will get all of this money for tax. So let us ask. Where is the money for the tax? One Kerry Lopez, I am Kerry Lopez. I'm not normal about it. We're gonna play next new music for my artists, Jamaican artists, upcoming artists, But you don't know the thing said, it's unpredictable when time you come right or so, and this artist same name, Rich Muller. I saw Rich Muller, what you have to say to you people them across the diaspora?
Yo, Hibiscus, watching people here partying, I'm really in yeah, them see me right, them want me fall, me show them success. Them see me work me and me think, but mine I kill them. Try everything to take me there, but I give up the Father God. You got them, me I say, show me them, Father. Show me when them a come, guide and protect me, charge. And your light on fire, son. Them a people, them heart no clean, them heart no clean. Say them heart no clean. Me want know when me do too. What me know that one take me, know that one.
Easy yourself, Richie Muller. Where you say? Where you going with? We take it from top of here. Where Miller say, Muller.
Yo, Hibiscus, watching people here partying, I'm really in
Upcoming fresh Jamaican artist. His name is Rich Muller.
Try everything to take me there, but I give up the Father God. You got them, me I say, show me them, Father. Show me when them a come, guide and protect me, charge. And your light no fire, son. Them a people, them heart no clean, them heart no clean. Say them heart no clean. Me want know when me do too. What me know that want take me life. You want take a cake every slice, and when me put every grain of rice. But me life I fit job for this side. Me not dead for you come rejoice. no lucky in your face and smile, but in your back them push and knife. Them take me things and then them laugh. The man no clean, them cut me off.
You're listening to Hibiscus Community Radio. It's a girl, Kerry Lopez.
Can't tell me things, them make me start rap. Them want bring me in a deal, but want kill me in a dab. And then we see you get the bus and them know why you push off. John, so me prayer there's not too much here. And me I say, show me the Eden Father. Show me when them a come,
the voice of Rich Miller. Him said, show me him want to see the Eden, him want to see what go on because people is so wicked.
No clean, them heart no clean. Say them heart no clean. Say me never do none to them. Say them are me friend, but a friend me them. They want me die, see me go in a grave. And me never want switch bad for them. Them can't treat me call me too wise. Me know them are bread in the eyes. Me know I'm in them style. And me I tell you many a times. Them take me things and then them laugh. The man no clean, them cut me off. Me know them sit down and pray. Me I don't fall. Me know them stay, so me and them not part. Me can't tell them me things.
Open your eyes, them Father. Woo, 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 woo.
Push off, John, so me prayer there's not too much here. And me I say,
open your nothing normal about the settings. I wait there. The man I say want to see what go on because the hearts of men is desperately wicked. And we hear it, we see it, we have to deal with it. But guess what? Once you are walking in the right way and I do the things them, you can't too safe, but you can take yourself out of harm's way, as Jar Bells would have said. So that's not normal about the settings. I will still read, I will still tap in, we still making know what go on across over here in Jamaica, 21-year-old police constable is charged for murder of the St. Mary businessman. Garfield Singh was gunned down at his home in Boscobel last week. And another police was also charged for failing to report the incident. So the police get himself in something and him squad it and hold down for him. So guess what? It won't get charged. Fair enough. Not normal about the settings. But I want to say, why has the police been so active in illegal activities these days? What is going on? Why all of the misbehaving? I think the police was here to serve and protect. That's when I check. But now I see police. On the headline, on the front line from the other day. A constable, wagwan upper station, soup, wagwan, because the country is under pressure. One Kerry Lopez, I am Kerry Lopez. And guess what? 73-year-old received 500,000 on the roof program. Alright. So see, now I want something kick off now and the people them get the relief. So see one man come with one big survey ticket of 73-year-old man, same get 500,000 to fix back in roof. Alright, that sound good. Big up. Pew. That sound like good argument. Yes, NCB still undecided. The boss say right now anything him can't sell it. Him can't sell the bank because his philosophy is to make sure to keep his end of the bargain. Yes, Mr. Wayne Chen, Mr. Lee Chin, yes, is saying that, his vows is to honor, the brand holders trust 100%. Yes, he's confident that next payment he will be putting in his 100%. And this continues up on which is the next payment is due in September 2026, and he's saying that all the people who are all of the bondholders who are supposed to get their percentage, he will make sure that they get 100% each time of payment. So this continues over into 2027, and He knows where it stopped. Yes. So, oh man, whole heap of things are going on, but we still have to give thanks because we have life, and we have hope, and we have a chance, and we still have another chance to wake up and see another day. We still have another chance to make up our mind. We still have a next chance to do the right thing. We still have a next chance to forgive. We still have a next chance to understand, So in this world full of people, we have to just take our time and move forward and take our little chances as they slowly comes. Nothing normal about the settings and wait there. And don't forget the Kerry Lopez Foundation and Kerry Lopez Foundation and the Just School Records Foundation. We're still here and we aim to give back to the small kids and to lesser fortunate persons, so please feel free to make whatever contribution you want to from time to time as we continue to move forward, giving back to the people who needs assistance. I, Kerry Lopez, is an ambassador for women and girls, and you don't know, me just an ambassador for the people and the culture because we have everybody where we are care for. You know what I mean? So some people are not in the position to help themselves. I just want to say, we use different strategies of giving back. I just want to big up to my neighbors, Miss Darling. She's not as young as we are, but she's so vibrant, and we have to just respect the elders as we go on because they are the foundation, and we just want to big up all of the elders right about now, hearing the sound of my voice. Whether you feel pain or whether you cock up on the only thing I work at your ears, we appreciate you and we love you and we respect your energy, your time, your focus, and for being right here with us today.